Hi folks, it's Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another great review. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. You can see all the great reviews and subscribe to our awesome podcast with all the latest guests and latest book authors, etc., etc. This is a review from peakdesign.com. I got to tell you, Peak Design, we've been reviewing since they started out like years and years and years ago. Reviewed a ton of bags on their and products on our website. Be sure to search for those as well. This is one of their cool new bags, everyday backpack zip. It's much like the everyday backpack that's iconic for them, but it's called the Zip, and it's kind of much a simpler version, a little bit more inexpensive. It comes in 4 colors, in 15L and 20L. And but it's still, I mean, the thing I've always loved about Peak Design is they have super well thought out products, super high quality materials and design. I'm just always impressed with everything they do. Some of the different features this thing has. It's got a laptop sleeve in it where you can have a protective laptop for pockets, for tablets and documents. 15L holds a 13-inch laptop. A 20L holds a 15-inch laptop. It's adjustable for easier access to smaller laptops on the 20L. Gives you ultimate comfort. It's got vented quick drying mesh backing padding for breathable comfort when you're wearing it on your back. It's got shoulder straps that pivot at axial points to optimize comfort with all body types. Quick connecting stowable sternum strap. External carry. It's got 2 external carry straps for cinching down bulky items via the cord hook system. Quick connecting stowable sternum strap as well. Travel friendly. The luggage pass through for easy and secure roller type carry, so you can put that right on top of your bags. 3 padded grab handles for upright or briefcase style hand carry. I love the convenience of this. Padded stowable waist belt available. You can get that sold separately, and it's weatherproof. Weatherproof 100% recycled 400D nylon canvas shell is DWR impregnated, double PU coated. So this is great if you get in the rain. I love these backpacks for my cameras because you can use the Velcro system inside to expand or shelve up how you take them on. You've got instant access from the top and dual side access, given a single 270-degree wraparound zipper, ultra durable, ultra zip design, custom organization as I mentioned before, pockets for days. You've got stretchy waterproof interior side and top pockets for cards, cords, and peripherals. 3 internal slip pockets for wallet, passport, and important items, and dual external side pockets to stretch to fit water bottles, tripods, etc. I think you'll love it. I was very impressed with it. I'm impressed with everything these guys do. They just really rock it when it comes down to it. Made from 100% recyclable post-consumer material, 900D waterproof bottom liner, high visibility gray nylon interior. The hardware is anodized aluminum and glass reinforced nylon, super durable, ultra zips, and like I said, it comes in full colors. I think you'll love the product. I've always loved these products. In fact, sometimes I have people like, hey, can we buy that off you? I'm like, nope, I don't sell my Peak Designs. I love the product. Go to peakdesign.com, check it out and all their products. Everyday backpack zip. We loved it. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast. Oh my God, it's amazing the stuff that's over there. CNN reporters, CNN journalists, CNN anchors, MSNBC, Wall Street Journal, WAPO, all the great, brilliant minds on the show. Be sure to check it out. We'll see you next time.